Hello everyone, welcome to Automatic Posting Software channel. Today I will show you how to automatic join Twitter communities by keywords. First, choose viral marketing and go to join communities feature, then set up a few basic settings. We can support you to set this, so don't worry if you don't know how to set it. After that, type keywords of group you want to join on Twitter. You can also set the accounts to interact in the community before the accounts join in it. Finally, choose the accounts you use to join Twitter community by keyword and click Start. The software will join Twitter communities automatically for you. Very easy, right? This software helps you save time and effort in viral marketing on Twitter. If you're interested, contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp I leave on the video. Thank you and see you in next videos.